Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Sunday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. And look at this. July 15th and the 16th. Prime Day. Epic deals. This is going to be one of them. Link will be down below. Where you can take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast free shipping. And I think this might be 1 day shipping. There we go. And see what other goodies they have to offer. And we have here, what is this? Whoa. Office cord. eMeet. Crystal clear. Oh, so it's a conference call type deal. Ah. Sweet. Kind of looks like the Echo. Take a look inside. It's come from electronics. It doesn't really say. Oh, yeah, eMeet. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Link will be down below. Something different. I think this is like the first one that I have had on this channel, so we'll see what this thing is all about. eMeet right there. Windows 7, 8, 10. Easy to use. Plug in, play. Alright, let's see. Cut right there. And snip. And snip. And choose it. We got the manual. Might not need this. There we go. There we go. There's a USB cable. So we got right here, here, and audio jacks. And here she is. Come out right out of the box. There we go. This is sweet. Really nice. Not even heavy, it's lightweight. This would be a nice stocking stuffer also for your boss. USB. Let's see here. Maybe I gotta charge it up. Might be time to charge it. So I might have to do that. I'll be right back. But I could probably use my phone. Hopefully this one will fit. Oh no. I'm gonna have to charge it. Yeah, see, USB goes in here, like so. And if you have your speakers you want to hook this up to, all you gotta do is plug it in right in there, like so, and then hook it up to your speakers. That's the device. So I'm gonna have to run it on my USB device. And I'll be right back. Alright, I got it plugged in. Let's see, I can show you. It lights up and everything. Just gotta plug it in here. There you go. Hello, hello. Give it a second. Maybe I gotta pair it with the phone. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, we are back. We have this set up to the desktop right now. This is really cool. Now I know a little bit more about it. This is for to set up conference calling without using like the phones and stuff like that on your laptop, any USB Type C devices, so tablets and everything else you can use. This is really pretty much for like Google Hangout. What's the other one they have? Oh, the type and search for Cantina. Watch this. There I am. Sure. Type in WWE. Type WWE.
I can learn to understand you much better if I can get familiar with the way you talk. Sorry about that. I didn't hear anything.
Search for oh man. So you just gotta do detective problems. That's this thing hasn't fully used it, but you could pretty much anything that has like speak to with I am instant messengers and stuff like that. Probably Facebook video you could use to conference chat, any other programs you guys have out there. Not too familiar with a lot of them, but I know a few like Google Hangouts and stuff like that where this will be good, very handy. But really cool, easy to store. It's definitely nice for someone in the tech field. Great Christmas gift. Easy to set up. Just plug and play, and then audio, and also you can use your headphones. So while you're gaming and stuff, you could just make a phone call, and then pause, volume. Oh, see, it goes on a computer too. So kind of like a built-in Alexa for your desktop. But you could do pretty much everything else too for phone calls and everything else. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. The link is going to be down below where you can get one at a low cost and take advantage of the Amazon Prime Days early bird specials. And like I said, links are going to be down below. You guys be safe, have a good night, and see you soon.